Okay, this is the part 2 of the 1 minute
S'mores.
1 minute marshmallow
Marshmallow.
and
I'm done.
thing. So
Comment, I'm done.
let's
I'm done.
do it.
Call that a microwave.
Yeah. Let's do it again. And
Let's see how it looks out.
we're gonna put.
A
And
marshmallow.
this is 30 seconds. We did that one and it was so good. Look.
And it was like 100 degrees.
And it's literally black.
It looks like caramel kind of.
And chocolate. Okay.
Okay, it's good. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Guys, look how big this is. Oh my god, wait, feel it. It's so fluffy. Wait, okay, let's see how much.
Wait, no, can I try? Just one.
Okay. Wait, come put it in. Come, put it in. Just put it in. It's 82, 104 degrees. 109, don't move it. 136, 149, okay. Well, as you can see, it was really big. Wait, come.
How many seconds was this, crew?
30.
I don't think it's like a marshmallow.
It looks fluffy, but when it's inside your mouth, it's kind of a little bit hard. Like, it's kind of hard.
But the size.
This is the best one so far.
We're gonna eat this, so bye.